Okay, this is a truck review, but this is just going over some of the features on my, I call it a tool. I use it for work and play. It has a little clamp bracket here, or slot. Also has a measuring board, cup holders, and phone holders here. You also could put your pencils and iPads for working, the measuring board. So this is called the work surface in the back bed tailgate of your truck. Also has a step here that pops out with a handle. This is the work surface of the bed of my F-150. Really like this thing. It has a measuring board here. You can measure whether it be fishing or woodworking, which I do. You also have these spots here for your clamps. So I like to use this work surface too for tying rigs up. I like the black surface. It's not slippery. It's pretty rough. And you can also see your monofilament line and other types, braids, etc. When you're tying your rigs up, you can see them real well. And doesn't, like I said, slide around, so it's perfect for that. And this is just me tying some rigs up before I go fishing. Also use this on work sites, job sites. Here I'm using the truck to completely power my work site here, running a track saw, sander, miter saw, also shop vac system and other tools running out of the back of my truck. That way I don't have to run extension cords from the client's house. I can do everything from my truck here and uses barely any power at all. Okay, I think I'm just going to bring two rods, one bait caster, one spinning setup. Got a net. Make sure I have the truck. Have paddle, net, measuring board, pedals. Alright, so just gotta grab some tackle and I'll go pick up a couple rigs real quick. Okay. Just running around. Great, more traffic. Okay, like I said, this truck is a nice tool. I use it for work, play, deliveries, fishing. Gets pretty good gas miles per gallon. Um, responds well, has plenty of power. This is the Powerboost model, so it has the electric motor with it. Has standard 12-inch screens. Provides tons of power in the back. At the back of the truck, so you never have to use a generator. You can power your house. Supposedly for a couple days. On a full tank of gas if you lose power, if you have it set up. And I can vacuum, inflate everything in my truck without needing an outlet. I can just plug right into the back of the truck as long as I have some gas in the truck. You can see here it's 3 outlets in the back. 2 are 120s, and then one is a 210 outlet. These are, I mainly use the 120, 110 outlets. Most of my tools usually use that type of power, but you can plug in bigger if need be. I literally work job sites or even out back in my garage. Plugged into my truck, I can run jigsaws, circular saws, track saws, table saws, miter saws, sanders, shop vacs, etc. with no issues. All right, well, thanks for watching.